Hello everyone, I'm Steve. I'm a technician at Jim Shorkey Murraysville location. Today we're going to give you a couple of tech tips. You definitely need to get your oil changed every about 5,000 miles we recommend. When we change your oil, we're going to do your tire rotation, check the vehicle over a 27-point inspection. A couple things we like to check out, your air filters. Here we got this has about 10,000 miles on it. We recommend every 15,000 miles. Compare that to a new one. This is the air that your car breathes in, so that can ruin your efficiency on fuel and mileage. Definitely want to get that looked at. Also, there is a cabin air filter, which is for the air that you breathe in inside the cabin of your vehicle. We recommend them at also 15,000 miles. So once they start getting bad, it'd be best to schedule an appointment to get that in. We'll get that taken care of for you. And also, we can get you 27 point again and get you checked all over. Keep you on the road.